difficult enough dealing with the stress of everyday life, but when you add in the anxiety that comes with fibrocystic breast or breast lumps, it can feel like too much to handle. Well, you are not alone. Breast cysts or breast lumps are very common, especially in the reproductive years of a woman's life. While the breast cysts and these breast lumps are usually benign, that means they are non-cancerous, it can still lead to a lot of discomfort and pain resulting from breast tenderness and a lot of anxiety around your breast health. But there is hope. Ayurveda offers natural and holistic measures to dissolve the breast cyst and also prevent them from coming back so that the discomfort doesn't happen in future. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic Ayurveda. And in this video, I will share with you symptoms and causes of breast cyst from an Ayurvedic perspective and what can you do to dissolve them and also to prevent them from coming back with holistic measures such as improving your diet, lifestyle and Ayurvedic medicine. Let's get started. Breast cysts are fluid-filled sacs that usually occur in the breast tissue. While they can occur at any age, they are most commonly found in the age group of 40s and 50s. Breast cysts and lumps are usually benign. As I said, nearly 90% of them are benign in nature, but some of them can be malignant. That means they can cause concerns around tumors and cancer development. However, most of the time breast cysts can be painful or uncomfortable and can cause a lot of despair due to their unpredictable nature. You can have a single cyst or multiple cysts, and these cysts vary in size. That means you may have a tiny pea-sized cyst or they may be as big as a grape-sized cyst present in the breast. The cyst can be present in one or both breasts, may be involved as well. While most of the time these cysts resolve on their own and they respond very well to the changes in diet and lifestyle. But in some cases where your imbalances have proceeded to a severe level, then you may require assistance from an experienced healthcare professional who can direct you with a specific regimen to resolve these breast cysts and also to prevent them from occurring in future. Now, before we dive into Ayurvedic measures to treat and prevent breast cysts from happening, let's first try to understand what exactly these breast cysts are from an Ayurvedic perspective. Because once you develop an understanding of what exactly the problem is, you can handle it better. And that's what Ayurveda directs you towards. You know the root cause of the problem, and once you know the root cause, you can take a better approach to prevent these cysts and lumps from happening in future. After all, the best solution to a problem lies in removing the cause of the problem itself. So let's get a better perspective on breast lumps. So the breasts are mainly composed of lymph, the fatty adipose tissue, as well as the glandular tissue for the production of milk in women. Now, the lymph of the breast tissue responds to the level of circulation or the balance of Vata dosh in your body. It is similar to the lymphatic system, which basically nourishes and also detoxifies your whole body. The fatty adipose tissue give the structure to the breast. These tissues respond to the hormone levels such as estrogen and cortisol and insulin in the body, as well as it is also sensitive to the levels of fat in your body. The third part, the glandular tissues of the breast are sensitive to multiple reproductive hormones such as estrogen, progesterone and prolactin, which is the hormone for lactation in breastfeeding women, and also cortisol, the stress hormone. So you see, since the breast tissues are largely composed of this lymph and fatty tissues, they are really prone to development of this cysts and knots. That's why these problems are quite common. While most of the time these cysts and knots will resolve on their own because these imbalances can happen in anybody, but if you try to take corrective measures in your diet and lifestyle and improve your balance, then these cysts dissolve on their own. However, if these imbalances stay chronic, that means they are not being addressed in time and you're continuing with the factors that are leading to these imbalances, then that also fuels the growth of these cysts. They may grow bigger or they may turn painful as a result of more imbalances in your body. That's why it is really important to take note of any sign of pain or growth of masses changes inside your breast, and take it seriously. You should consult an experienced doctor and take their opinion on what you need to do to prevent them from growing, and also how to shrink them in a natural and holistic way. Now, one more thing which I really want to stress upon is that your breast health is closely tied to your emotional wellness and your mental health. Whenever you are experiencing emotional turmoil or poor mental health, that really affects the level of circulation and also your metabolism, specifically the fat metabolism in the body. The thing is that your fat metabolism and your circulation is also affected by your mental health and by your emotional well-being. So it is really important that you control the level of stress and you also take care of your emotional health in a proactive manner. As we saw, the breast tissues really respond to the level of hormones in your body, the reproductive hormones, which are closely tied to the levels of cortisol, which also affects your estrogen, progesterone, prolactin, and the levels of insulin in the body. So whenever there is any imbalance in cortisol as reflected in your emotional or mental health, it affects your breast health and can lead to issues related to water retention, pain, cyst formation, change in size of the breast, and make you uncomfortable in different ways. So it is important to not just take care of your physical health, but also give a lot of importance of your mental well-being. And here we are going to discuss how you can help yourself through different stress relieving measures that Ayurveda guides us towards. Now, Ayurvedic treatment for breast tissue is specifically directed towards treatment of the root cause of the problem, which we saw. Based on a patient's specific symptoms, your Ayurvedic practitioner will direct you towards specific herbs that will help you out, and specific changes in diet and lifestyle which will help you to prevent the growth of these breast cysts and resolve them in a natural and holistic way, and also prevent them from occurring in future. Now let's look into specific Ayurvedic measures that you can expect for the treatment of breast lumps. There are many Ayurvedic medicines and herbal remedies that are highly effective in the treatment of breast cysts. These are potent anti-inflammatory agents and rich source of micronutrients that will help you to detoxify your body, reduce the inflammation, improve circulation, as well as balance the dosha that you are struggling with. However, do note that Ayurvedic medicine should always be taken under the guidance of an experienced physician. And you should never self-medicate, because these herbs are potent medicines and they need to be taken according to your specific symptoms. These herbs act on specific tissues and according to specific imbalances. This is because unregulated use of these herbs can do more harm than benefit. That's why you should always consult an experienced doctor before you plan on taking these herbs. Here is a list of Ayurvedic herbs that can help to shrink the size of the breast cyst. Because of their specific action on the breast tissue, they will also help you to detoxify. As I said earlier, they will also reduce the inflammation in the body and stop the growth of malignant cells. They will also improve overall hormone balance such that you find relief from additional symptoms, not just the breast cyst that you are struggling with. Now, the second thing that you can do from an Ayurvedic perspective to help your breast health is to improve your diet. Your diet is one of the best and simplest measures to improve your overall health, not just the breast tissues. Food is not just to satisfy the hunger levels in the body, but it is a vital measure to provide sufficient nutrition to your body tissues, and such as the breast tissues. When you are taking in nutrient-dense meals that are also freshly prepared, they not just help you to give the nutrition, but they also improve your digestive fire, help you to detoxify in a natural way. Your body is detoxifying in its own natural way 24 hours of the day. When you are supporting this natural detoxification, then you will not struggle with problems such as breast cyst. And a healthy diet also improves your overall hormone balance, such as the levels of estrogen, progesterone, and prolactin in the body. That's why you should take note to include nutrient-dense materials such as beans, grains, lentils, fresh fruits, and fresh vegetables, which are also potent sources of antioxidants, necessary vitamins and minerals that will give you ample of material to build good breast tissues and hence healthy breast. Now the third thing that you can do to improve your breast health and also stop the growth of breasts is to improve your sleep cycle. Along with your diet, sleep is one of the important handles that also is in your hands. When you improve your sleep time during the night, you also balance your hormones in a natural way. You detoxify in a natural way. Your body is in a detoxification mode in the night, especially from 10 to 2 in the night when your liver is really detoxifying. So when you do that, you reduce the levels of cortisol also in your body, which is one of the hormones which really challenges your breast health. And cortisol is also directly related to the levels of prolactin in the body, which is another hormone which directs your breast health. So whenever you are having sufficient sleep from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the night, you will provide your body with sufficient zen to handle the stress in a natural way, to detoxify and improve your breast health both in the short term as well as long term. Now for people with smaller breast size and bath-type breast cysts, you need to take care of your breast health by providing yourself with sufficient nutrition, specifically the healthy fats and proteins. You also can conduct regular breast massage with pure oils such as olive oil and coconut oil. They will also help you to improve the circulation in the breast area and also drain the toxins out of the breast. And for people with large breast size, you need to focus on reducing the amount of fat in your body and improving your fat metabolism. This you can do by improving your diet, lifestyle in general, but also by doing regular exercises, yoga asana, and also working out so that you are getting rid of the excessive hormones, specifically estrogen, which stimulates the growth of breasts and leads to large breast size. And it will also help you to get rid of the fatty tissues which are there accumulating in your body. So weight reduction, improving your fat metabolism is one of the important measures to reduce the breast size, to get rid of the breast cyst, and also reduce the chances of malignancy which you are really prone to, and also improve your breast health in the long term. Here I am linking to a video which will help you to understand how you can improve your fat metabolism, get rid of the belly fat and the excess fat in the body in an all natural and holistic way by improving your diet and lifestyle itself. Now the next and one of the most important handles that you can have to improve your breast health and also shrink the breast cyst is to practice yoga and pranayama. Breathing exercises and yoga asana really help you to improve the prana and the circulation in the body, not just the breast tissues. They help to improve overall hormone balance. They reduce the toxins in the body, reduce the inflammation in the body, and also help you to relax, thus reducing cortisol level in the body. Here are specific yoga asana that you can practice to improve your breast health, improve circulation and overall hormone balance so that the breast cysts do not occur and they are not growing further. So that was all. I hope you found it useful. Do leave your comments and suggestions. I will get back to you. Do subscribe to the channel for more updates and for more information on how you can improve your health and prevent these chronic disorders with Ayurvedic lifestyle. Do like, comment and share with your friends who may also find this video helpful. So I will see you soon. Until then, bye.